Feel another year older, another year wiser. I love my 20s. Hey guys, this is Alex and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my video. Alright guys, let us get back to what you guys are really here for. Now in today's video, we're going to do a mini Sephora haul that I just went through. It was my birthday a couple of days ago, which I am so grateful to all of you for my birthday wishes. Thank you so much for all your support and love. It's just so nice. You know, your birthday comes once a year and it's just like a day about yourself, and I'm like kind of like, ooh, attention on me, what? So it's interesting, but I feel so grateful. The whole weekend of my birthday, I just felt so much gratitude. Just gratitude to be alive, healthy, here with a good support system, family and friends that I love and I care about, and I'm just here and I'm happy. So I'm just really thankful, and thank you all so much for your birthday wishes. Anyway, and so before I start crying, let's just move on. Anyway, over my birthday weekend, I of course had to hit up one of my favorite stores, Sephora, you already know. Now, we all know Sephora can be super expensive, but I just wanted to go there and pop in and get a few of my favorite items. So I've definitely talked about these in other videos, and they're definitely my favorites, but I feel like I just want to do a quick video to show you guys what I got at Sephora. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Okay, I'm super excited because I haven't even opened any of these yet, and I don't know about you guys, whenever I get anything new, I just want to open it right away. Just, you know, embrace it. So I am so excited to finally open these products. The very first one on today's Sephora haul is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Hot Chocolate. Now, I'd say I probably have most of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs just because they are honestly probably the most bomb gloss bombs ever. I swear guys, I am a Fenty fan for many reasons, but I have to say Fenty Gloss Bomb is what really got me hooked, because I've never really been too much of a gloss person, but because of this gloss, I became a gloss person. They're just lightweight, easy to put on. You can slap it on anything or wear it by itself. Not too much shimmer, but just the right amount. Not sticky, doesn't get caught up in your hair, doesn't have too much of overpowering scent. I mean, what else could you want in a lip gloss? So it's perfect. So they finally released the shade Hot Chocolate. They did have a mini size in this color over, oh wow. I just opened it and I am just taken away. Anyway, they had a mini set of this during the holiday and a holiday set with Fenty Beauty, but I didn't really want the other colors as much. I just wanted this one, and I think the internet was like ride or die for the shade. So many people came together and were like, we need this in a regular full size. And of course, Rihanna answered our prayers and we got the color Hot Chocolate in full size. The reason I am so excited about this shade is because it has the perfect amount of brown in there, like a brownish pink. And of course has those signature Fenty Beauty flakes of shimmer in there. And I am just so excited. I can see myself using this as an everyday gloss on top of my everyday lipstick or just wearing it by itself. But it's gorgeous. You hear that pop? Did you hear that? Wow, let me get really close to the mic. This is gorgeous. Yep, smells just like Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, all the other ones. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on. Gorgeous. Wow, ma'am. Wow. Are you not entertained? And I knew it. I knew it was going to be a winner. Just a nice brown shade you can put on top of any lipstick, any other lip gloss, or just wear it by itself. I think we have a winner. Yes, but I'm super excited about that. I highly suggest Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs, Hot Chocolate, or any other shade that fits your skin tone. Listen, Fenty Beauty, she is the one. Next on the Sephora haul, we have the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Now, I find when I wear this primer, my makeup lasts all day long, girl. And it's literally because my foundation sticks to the primer. Just because the primer is so tacky, my foundation will literally stick to it and last all day. So I find that it really smooths my lines, really is good for long wear. Now I did get the mini one for $15, and they do have a full-size one. I can't remember the price of it, but I'll have it somewhere down below right here. But I did get the mini one just for 15 bucks because I was like, you know what? I don't have to have a full size. A mini is kind of nice to have too. I think I found out about this primer from Alyssa Ashley or Jackie Aina on YouTube. But if you love any other things from Milk Makeup, let me know in the comments below. I don't know, I love this primer and I really think it sticks with me, so I kind of want to try the other stuff too. But yeah, let me know down below. Last but certainly not least, we have the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. Now, I want you to listen up very closely. Listen, 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 listen. I've tried a lot of mascaras in my days, y'all. I love mascara. To me, mascara is a staple to have in your kit. Whether you're a minimalistic kind of girl, you just wear mascara and blush and you're out the door, or whether you're like a full glam kind of person, you wear full glam makeup every single day to go to work or wherever you're going, or maybe you're like me, you're in between, you like a kind of a soft glam with minimalistic products but still give you a full look. Mascara to me just really brings everything together. This mascara I feel like is so perfect for many reasons. Now, I feel like it really deepens my eyelashes. It makes them really nice and dark and black, but it also just gives me a lot of length. I just find my eyelashes are so long, and people ask me all the time when I'm wearing this mascara, are you wearing lashes? I'm like, no, girl. These are mine. So I will say it's more expensive than your average drugstore mascara. Like right now I'm wearing the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, another staple. I don't know the exact price, but I had to guess it's like under 10 bucks. Now compared to this mascara right here, this mascara is definitely in the 30s. So it's a little bit more expensive than you want to spend for mascara for not too much more product, but I say to me it's worth it. Now, let me pull up my receipts. So, by getting the mascara, the Hydro Grip Primer, and the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, I spent $69.28. For me, girl, at Sephora, that's really good. Because we all know at Sephora, you can easily walk out there spending about 700 bucks. So, but yeah, I love Sephora. I want to go shop there, to Ulta, as well as the Morphe store. So those three stores are like where I get all my makeup. I get Sephora as like more of my higher end products that I may pick up. Ulta's more of my everyday drugstore with a little bit of mix of high end. And then Morphe is great because I love their brushes. I would say most of my brushes are Morphe brushes, so I love that. So picked up a couple of those, but you already know. All right, guys, that is enough foolishness for now. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Hey, but before you guys go, before you click out of this video, I'm going to encourage you to go subscribe to my channel, guys. Go subscribe. You're already watching my videos anyway. You love being here. You love watching my videos. Girl, I get it. I get it. I understand. So all I got to do now is subscribe. Subscribe down below. Y'all subscribe, share this video, like, comment, subscribe, all the stuff you already know. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.